Hello and welcome back. Today I'm filming a purple amethyst dreams vibe kind of makeup look. Starting out by priming my eyelids with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Cloud. I'm starting out with the shade The Storm from the Revolution x Fortnite Llama palette. I'm filming and editing today's video a little differently today. Let me know if you prefer it over showing one eye at a time. I love this color so much. I have the Ozark Trails 40 ounces tumbler, the Stanley dupe in this color lol. Topping the lid with this sparkly lavender shade from the Llama Cosmetics Spanglish palette. I decided to keep whole clips in, so you can see more of the process. Also, I'm missing clips doing my base makeup, so I don't have any of that in this video, but I did my usual base routine. Framing the bottom lash line with the shade Royale from the Revolution x Fortnite Llama palette. I'm also bring it up to the outer corner slightly, just to blend the colors together. Topping that with a dark sparkly purple shade from the Llama Cosmetics Spanglish palette. Bringing it up into the outer corner as well. Onto the second eye. I really like the look of the lighter lid shade and the darker lash line. These metallic shades from the Llama Cosmetics Spanglish palette are meant to be used wet or dry. I wish more brands did this. I am applying the bottom lash line wet, the lid shade I applied dry. I bronzed, blushed, and highlighted all with the Revolution x Fortnite palette. This blush is more of a topper. It's got a golden shine to it and is more sheer. Highlighted the brow bone with it as well, to tie in everything. Melting the powders with the Mannakadar Skincare Hydration Happy Mist. Lining and tight lining with the Tristique eyeliner in Santorini Black Sand. I'm adding more than normal for the drama. Finishing the eyes with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Lash and Roll Mascara in black. I hit my under eye, the betrayal. I let it dry, scratched it off best I could. then touched up with concealer. Since I tinted my brows last week, I'm just using the e.l.f. Cosmetics Brow Lift and not filling them in. I need to glue the spoolie back into the handle, lol. Finishing the look with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Lip Lacquer in Black Cherry. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.